Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to turn off comments on Facebook posts. So first of all, go ahead to your App Store, Google Play, and what I'm going to do here, I'm going to click on my avatar icon at the top right, go ahead to the apps, and basically search for Facebook. You're going to double check if that Facebook app needs to be updated. If it does, just go ahead and do it, and if it doesn't, just move along to the next step. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go back to my screen, and go ahead to my browser. Now, if I wanted to turn off the comment, yes, you can disable the comments on Facebook. You can adjust the post privacy settings to control who can comment on your posts. Alternatively, you can just turn off comments for specific posts if you don't want people commenting on these posts. So basically, go ahead to the image, and let's have an example. You had this post, right? So click the three dots next to your name, and you're gonna be able right here to see a window. Edit post, delete post, and turn off commenting. Click on turn off commenting, and basically you can narrow it down to whatever if you want it to be people who or you can adjust the settings from the jump before posting a Facebook post, whether it was real or photo or normal text. What you're gonna do, you're gonna be able to manage the the eye viewing of that post, and you're gonna be able to change it to a public and private, or for some specific people before posting. This is like pre-posting, right? You're gonna be able to set it before posting to some people, specific people, or to the people that you just tagged or whatever, right? So, or you can just go ahead to turn off the commenting, and you're gonna be able to see a window or another option, snooze, for 30 days, or unfollow that person, whatever, right? So basically, this is like how it's done basically, and that's it. That's right on the comments. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.